Okay. I got no idea what this is. I got no idea what this is. Okay, there's 2 of them in here, I'll tell you that. And this is the side of it. This is what it looks like.
Let me show them up close what that looks like from the side. This is, if you couldn't see it from way back here, this is what the side looks like. This is the side vertic. Oh, oh, oh!
Oh, you almost showed it.
Oh, me being a fool, I almost gave it away. I still don't even know what it is, and I'm reading it. This is what the end looks like. Any guesses? Oh.
Why am I having low battery coming up? Oh, there we go.
Wasn't plugged in.
Oh, frames, picture frames. It might be a picture frame. It might be. Jenny says it's a pizza.
Oh, pizza! I'm now paying attention.
Serving trays.
Like in tennis. And tray is up. Full name Trayvon. Short name Trey. Up to serve. Wonderful serve by Trey. It's a wonderful serving tray.
All right, let me open it. Let me see what's in it. I don't know what it is. I think it's some kind of...
Let's see if you can find it. Here's the hint. Here's the hint upside down. This is what it looks like in Australia. This is what it looks like over here. Art.
A rated
trading.
A rated trading.
Corsicana, Texas. Ooh.
Huh. All right. I still got no idea what it is.
I don't know what it is either. I think it's, just by the vibe, I feel like it's natural timber. I don't know what it's made out of, but I feel like it's a natural timber. Plate, Josh says. A small table, Josephie says.
Oh.
A print, a canvas print. Ooh.
Oh, you guys, this is super cool.
Oh, wow, that's lovely.
They're actually serving trays. They're serving trays, I think, with
they're cake trays, I think.
A home party without cake is just a meeting. That's what it says. A home party without a cake is just a meeting. That's really cute.
There's 2 sizes. It says the same thing, and it looks like, what's this little thing? I'm trying to see if it tells us anything more about it. I think it's bamboo. It looks... No.
Who got it? Evan's family? Did Evan's family guess it right? We'll give you another draw in there. Yeah.
What did you say?
I don't know. I think
he said
Woo,
lap
I got
desk.
it right. Yeah, lap desk or lap it's like a serving tray though.
Oh yeah, who said serving tray?
Evan's family. Because GMG said EF got it, and then Evan's family said, woohoo, I got it.
Oh,
right.
yeah, Evan's family, serving tray.
Serving trays.
I found it.
Woohoo!
You're right.
Okay. Now
you knew you were right.
I know. It's really a cool one, isn't it, Josephie? So the first person that can find the company, and it's a rated trading art, the first person that can find this and post it in the chat from the right company, we'll give you another draw.
From Corsicana, Texas.
Corsicana, Texas.
Corsicana sounds like Italy.
It kind of does. It kind of sounds
the Corsican coast. That's why I'm thinking that. So here it comes in, there's 2 pieces. They're in bubble wrap. They're nice and neat. And you've got 2 of these.
We got 2 of them.
Woo! So these will go up on the prize wheel.
These are going on the prize wheel. How fun. What a fun gift. This is cute. I like them. Like it's like a serving tray. Or you could use it like, you could use it in your kitchen to like hold bread in or something. I don't know. There's a couple different things you could do with this, I think.
You don't necessarily have to put cake in it, even though it's written there.
Well, cake wouldn't last long for me in there. That's my favorite thing. I love cake. I love cake. Cake.
Well, we look like GMG.
Oh,
A-rated training.
Yes!
It's bamboo.
It's
I was
bamboo.
right.
Oh my gosh.
Serving tray set, 2 pieces, coffee. Boom!
Boom! GMG got it.
Boom!
Yeah.
Dynamite. GMG got it right. You gotta learn the lines, Amy.
Oh my gosh! Win the fight. It's win the fight.
Use your might. Don't recite. Say it from my heart.
How
GMG.
How fun! These are super fun. Okay.
Nice. Hey, GMG, you get an extra draw? Congratulations.
Congratulations. That is going to go on the prize wheel next week, or not on Friday.
So the 2 winners of the Magic Unboxing Realm was Evan's family coming in first with the guess. Great clairvoyant powers there, Evan's family. And then GMG finding the item and sharing it first on the live. That's how you get extra draws in the prize wheel.